Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video that I find very interesting, which is something that everyone should know. Let's see. When you take your vehicle to the workshop, the workshop has the obligation to give you your parts. If you don't want them, you can at least ask him to show them to you. In fact, I advise you, we do it like this. When a vehicle comes and we change a part, we tell the customer, we show it to him. And if he wants it, has it, and if not, we get rid of those pieces. Why do I tell you this? Look. What you see is a BMW, an X5 E53, it has the 3000D engine, inside it has the air filter. To change the air filter, well, it takes a lot of dismantling, but if the customer pays you to change it, you change it. The owner of this vehicle scrupulously changes the filter every 20,000 kilometers. Let's see, they're foreigners, they're on vacation, but with his car. Let's see, as I say, every 20,000 kilometers they change it. Look, there you are going to see the air filter. You see it, the customer tells us that 20,000 kilometers ago he changed it, they charged for it. But I tell you, they did not change it, and I told him, if they showed it to him when they had changed it, and he told me that in his workshop, they never show him any of the parts that they changed to the car. In short, they are deceiving them. Be careful with these things. Let's see. My advice is that let's see, we have already seen it before, these are tourists, but we have also seen it with nationals, that someone comes to us, who is not a regular customer, they come to you to change something, and you can find this panorama. I tell you that it's not that it doesn't have 20,000, this has more than 100,000 kilometers, this air filter, and on top of that, look, of course, due to the amount of oil it has and the situation where it is, on top of the turbo and the exhaust manifold, well, you see, this has burned. In fact, it could have caught fire. That is, be very careful with this as things. Do not be in a hurry to ask your workshop to show you the parts that have been changed. The vast majority of workshops, I tell you, they are going to show you the parts that have been changed, and they will tell you the work done. Okay? Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.